Okay, so now let's talk about the part 2 of your homework 3. It's still about quality control and about how to use Systrom data browser. So for question 6, it's asking us to use Systrom data browser to check public available ChIP-seq data. I'll just do a live demo of this. Okay, so can you guys see Systrom data browser now?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're looking at Homo sapiens, and we're specifically looking at AR ChIP-seq. That's our transcriptional factor, and we want to check prostate. Yeah, it takes me a while to find this. We're specifically looking at prostate. Actually, you might need to click multiple times to get all 3 selected. Okay, cool. Now we get all 3 selected. And you can see these are actually some public data available from previous literature. Here is like the quality of their data set. And I think question 6 specifically asks us, like, do we have over 100 AR ChIP-seq that pass all quality control? So you can set samples passing all quality controls here. So that means they pass all 6 quality control, okay? And I think since one page has 20 samples and there are 9 in total, we probably have over 100. We're fine with a screenshot, but if you want to get exact count, we're fine as well. Okay, so that's for question 6. Let's go back and see question 7. So does transcriptional factor, oh yeah, can you comment on what QC measures tells you whether a ChIP-seq is of good or bad quality, and have a screenshot of each example? So I guess let's go back to the Systrom data browser again. Yeah, actually, after you choose that option, you probably need to refresh the page and then reselect Homo sapiens, prostate, and AR. Okay, cool. So as you can see, for those, if you click on it, it will actually give you more details about the data set at the bottom of the page. And if you hover your mouse over, it will show you what's each quality. So green means passed the quality control and red means didn't. And as you can see, even for some data published on Nature Communication, it still might not be good quality because here you only pass 2 quality control. So I think you can just maybe pick some and take a screenshot of 1 good data set and 1 bad data set. And then maybe out of the 6 quality control, pick some criteria that you think are the most important ones for ChIP-seq QC check. I mean, it's more like for response. You can put whatever answer you like there, but maybe just choose the one that you think are the most important QCs and have some explanations, okay? So I guess now let's go question 8. Oh yeah, so it's still about using Systrom data browser, and it's asking like, what companies have made this AR antibody? Because to do ChIP-seq experiment, we need the antibody that only binds to AR. And if the antibody is not working very well, like if it also binds to other protein, then the ChIP-seq result won't be very good. So you can, so for every experiment, for example, you can maybe take a look at some good ones and click on it, go to the bottom. Here there's GEO or ENCODE, click on it. Okay, cool. So here on the characteristics, it will actually show you the antibody name and which company made it. Oh, okay, cool. So this is for some good quality ones. You can also maybe just look around and check some bad qualities and see whether, maybe the ChIP-seq quality is relevant with the antibody company, or maybe with some specific product, or maybe not. Again, this is like a free response question. You can just, give your thoughts here, and we're open to any answer. Okay, cool. So that's for part 2. Do we have any question here?